If you thought Codex from OpenAI is only for developers, you are wrong. It can be used by anybody, including managers. In my course, ChatGPT for Managers on Udemy, I have an entire chapter on Codex for Managers. Here, let me give you a glimpse of how managers can use Codex. If you have a Plus account on ChatGPT, you can use Codex by downloading from openai.com/codex and download for Windows. Once you install it, you can set up Codex to access the folders on your machine. Here, I am in Codex desktop app on Windows. I am connected to OpenAI with my Gmail ID, which has a Plus account. Here I have the folder DTI project, which contains the project files for the Digital Transformation Initiative project. Codex is able to access my folder and all the files in it. In the DTI project folder, you can see that I have the projects updated May 15th and team capacity files. Here is the project plan Digital Transformation Initiative 2026, which has the task name, type, status, resource, priority, start date, finish date, etc. Here is the team capacity file, which has the task name assigned to skill and estimated hours, as well as the status. Trello is a project management tool that uses Kanban style project boards. You can have a free account in Trello to manage your projects. To use Chrome from Codex, you need to enable the Chrome plugin and install Codex extension on your Chrome browser. Let us see how you can set it up. Let us go to plugin, search for Chrome, control Chrome with Codex. Let us add this plugin. Let us add to Codex. Install Chrome. So for this, we need to add the Codex Chrome extension. So here I am on the Chrome Web Store. I can search for the extension Codex, which is already searched here, and I can add to Chrome. Okay, it is added. Now we will be able to access it from Codex. Here I am back to Codex. I can try this in a chat. Connect to Trello and update the project plan from the project plan and team capacity files in this folder. I am already connected to Trello in my Chrome browser. Send. It found the 2 workbooks. It analyzed the contents. It found overcapacity, 12 project items, and 6 milestones. It was able to connect to Chrome browser. It is asking for permission to connect to Trello.com through Chrome. Allow. It found the project board in Trello and matched project plan cards, milestones, and sprint cards. Okay, within 2 minutes, connected to Trello through your Chrome session and check the Digital Transformation Initiative 2026 board against the 2 files in this folder. The board is already synchronized with the workbook data, 12 project plan cards, 6 milestone cards, 20 sprint allocation cards, 33 team capacity cards. Capacity flags include Alisa at 90-80 hours and Jason at 83/80 hours as overcapacity. I left the Trello tab open for you. Actually, I recently synchronized the 2, so they are in sync. There is no update needed, but it was able to connect to Trello and verify that everything is in sync. Isn't that amazing? It accessed files in the local folder and connected to a project management tool through the browser using your existing login account and checked for updates. That is Codex for you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest in AI and technology. See you in the next video.